Hello everyone, I am Amrish Mande working as a consultant with Directions Software LLP. At Directions, one of the areas that we have been working is to provide GST related solutions and services. Our latest initiative is integrating e-invoicing with Microsoft Dynamics Nav. We are Microsoft Gold certified partner for about 20 years and have been providing implementation and support services for Dynamics Nav. In this session, I am going to demonstrate integration between Dynamics Nav and GSTN portal for uploading GST e-invoices. For all B2B invoices to be authenticated electronically on GST portal, we will receive an identification number against them. We are having our solution ready for two ways of integration. One is through direct APIs and another one is through GSP APIs. For taxpayers having turnover of 500 crore and above, they can have their direct APIs through GST portal, and while those who fall in the range of 100 crore but less than 500 crore, they can have their APIs through GSPs. GSPs are GST Subhda providers. They will help you through their APIs to push your data to GST server. While your encryption and decryption of your data in case of direct APIs will be handled in Navision itself. While your data encryption and decryption will be handled in case of GSP APIs on their server. And according to your volume of invoices, they will give you subscription packages for the same. So now let's just start with the demonstration. We will create a new sales order. We'll select customer information, then fill details of date and structure, then select external document number, fill location code information, then fill line detail information and post the invoice. In posted document section, we have two buttons, one for generation of invoice and second one is for cancellation of invoice. If we go to generate invoice, this is the data which we are pushing to GST portal for generation of IRN. This is a response which we are receiving against the request. So this is our IRN number and these are the values required to create your QR code. Click on OK. Now your data is updated on posted invoice. To check your QR code in the sample report, you can go and you can preview it. You can see IRN number and QR code for the same. To cancel the invoice, you can select a reason code and then just cancel e-invoice. This will show you that the IRN has been cancelled on this date. Also, we have maintained the logs of the transactions happening. So you can see the data log which we are interacting when we are pushing data from our system to GST portal. And we have also maintained error log which will have every error related to your transaction. For more information, connect with Directions Software LLP. Thank you so much.